Dude, did you check out the game last night?
Which one?
The Miami Heat game.
Yeah, didn't LeBron hit like 45 or something like that?
Man, LeBron James, with his sorry ass, man, he sucked.
Man, are you serious? But did you see Bosh? He scored like 15.
Chris Bosh, his dinosaur-looking ass, really? His dinosaur-looking ass? That team sucked ass.
Man, you're right. He do look like a dinosaur, kinda.
Back to the point, though. What's the damn dude at, man? I'm about tired of waiting here for him.
Oh, shit. Here he come right here.
Fellas! What's up?
What's up,
What
man?
up?
What's up?
What up?
What's up?
What up? You ready to play some ball? Dude, you got some shit right there in your face.
Bro, stop bullshit, man. Shit on my face.
Nah, man. Right there on the right side of your face, man.
Right here?
Yeah.
Look. This shit.